Alright, so today I picked up a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, the blue one. I switched from T-Mobile to Verizon today. Verizon had a buy one get one free on these. Well, buy one get the equivalent price to a S9 standard for free. So I went ahead and went with them. T-Mobile wouldn't bargain on it, and my trade-ins weren't worth enough. So I went ahead and made the switch. Let's see how that works out. Alright. First thing we have here is the eject pin. I'm sure the paperwork and the booklets. Probably a get started guide. Meet your phone. And there is the actual phone itself. It's pretty tall phone, pretty narrow. I believe it's 6.8-inch screen. The physical aperture camera, pretty excited about that. Let me do a comparison of the Galaxy S7. I skipped the 8, so I have a S7. You can see that it's slightly taller and approximately the same width. But of course we don't have the buttons at the bottom or anything else. You have a lot more screen here. Still got a nice rounded screen on it. Anyway, that's a comparison. Go ahead and turn that on while I take out the rest of the stuff. Get it on. There it goes. This would be the adaptive fast charging power brick. And these are the AKG earbuds. Pretty excited about those. I have a full set of AKGs and I love them, so it's a very good brand for headphones. And then you have the Type-C micro USB, Type-C USB cable for charging the device or connecting it to a PC. And then the USB connector, I believe this is for transferring your data from this phone, or from your old phone to your new phone. Maybe it's used for something else, I'm actually not sure. I'll find out. Hold on to that. Okay, so that's what comes in the box. And look at the device. Compare the screen size. It's pretty drastic how much taller the screen is. And I like that they have a rounded screen. Like the actual, the pixels are not sharp edged all the way to the edge. So I'll go ahead and get this thing charged up, get the plastic off and get it configured, and see how I like it. I also picked up a case already on Amazon. Caseology, I believe it was. Got a nice textured back on it. Guess I can put it on without taking the plastic off yet. See how it fits. It's a pretty thin case. I like that it's got the grip on the back. So that is a little bit bigger phone. A little bit thicker as well with the case on it. So I will see how it compares to my old case I had on the S7. But so anyway, today was launch day in the US for these phones, and I went straight after work to Verizon and picked it up. They had them in stock. And that's pretty much it. I'll get it charged up, play with it, and see what I think about the new processor and the 6 gigs of RAM and the new camera and everything else, and do some comparisons on that. So anyway, thank you for watching.